All right, it is Sunday, April 23rd. Looking at all different stocks today, different scenarios, see where things are going. Check out Coinbase. This stock IPO'd, a high of 429.54. It's 58.73 right now. When people get in on these IPOs, they think, oh, I'll be a millionaire or something. You never buy at the IPO price. Most of the time it goes down until maybe it finds its base, its level, earnings wise, it's all speculation. Is this going to be the next Google? I doubt it. So, you can't just go and buy on the first day. It makes no sense. Let it come in a little bit. Let's see where it's going to go. Earnings, what kind of company it is. So, this was a complete disaster for most people. Most people get burned, and that's what happened. So, this was back in April. You see it really dropped hard and went down to close to 200, 209. Went back and forth. It did bounce. November came up to 350. Nice run there. And then it formed this big channel here from November all the way down to May. January 2022 came way down. This went down to $50 and changed. The low was 40.83. It bounced it back over 100. So good swing trading opportunities. A lot of these stocks, though, ever since the market became so volatile, things going all over the place. Stocks wise, it's going like, this 450 to 50. You're getting great opportunities for swing moves, even day trading moves. All right, so this bounced October, then it came down. I'm looking here. Okay, November, you're about 80. Then it really crashed hard. This went down really hard to 31.83. And it looks like the low 31.55 is the all-time low. And then with January, this pattern you've seen a lot on a lot of stocks, different ETFs. When this went down and then it bounced up, it was a great move on both sides. In January, the market really took off. So, this one above 80, they pulled it back hard, back and forth 70, and then another pullback in March. Then off we go. Tried to test this above 80 again, and it was a double top, gap down, bounce again at 70, and here we are now. It's falling 58.63. So what you have, you definitely have a line here going this way and a trend line up. You could even put a trend line 84, even one lower, even one like about 74. So it hasn't gone, and once it's gone over 80, it hasn't held very well. You have a trend line here. It's breaking through right now. You can see the wick here, January, March, coming down. Stochastics are coming down pretty hard. This is a straight line down, not even like a zigzag. It's just straight. So if the market really turns negative or the next few weeks aren't even good, this will probably get a 55. So watch out below 55 and 50. We'll see what happens in this zone right here, 55. If it bounces up again, watch around 70. There'll be, a major line here. And then, of course, it's been bouncing after that to about 80, 85. So long wise. Here is the weekly chart. You can see going up here. It looks like it wants to roll over. Once you see a red candle like this is weekly. It's sort of bending down, sort of bending to break. So there we are on the weekly. The monthly chart, all these red candles. And then, it's trying to move up. You can see the 20 MAs over 13 MA. This is a huge space. This is a $50 space in between. And, moves like this, it's so oversold. You can see moves up to 100 and 125, longer term. That still wouldn't even mean it's bullish. It could probably go there and then bounce down further, but we're not even there yet. So watch, just the 80 zone, the monthly. This is a relatively new on charts. There's not much to go on these longer term charts. All right, so it's got 14 billion market cap, bigger float, institutional zone 59%, and provide financial infrastructure technology for crypto economy, United States, internationally. Companies founded 2012 in Wilmington, Delaware. Any recent news? Just looking here on FinViz. Companies conducting layoffs 2023. Coinbase considers U.S. future as crackdown rolls on. Bitcoin. I was reading here. Anything? Coinbase announces data. Data first quarter 2023 financial results. You update one U.S. crypto exchange. Coinbase secures Bermuda license. That was back in April 20th, which was 3 days ago. All right, so there we are, though, chart wise. The charts never lie. And there we are. So look at these shorter term, the 55.50 area, and then, break back above 70 on Coinbase. Longer term, who knows on this, but regulation and Bitcoin, it's very speculative. This could go back down like 20 and 10. You don't know. You don't know what's going to happen in the crypto space. Are they going to regulate it heavily? Somewhat. They're not doing much. So that's where we stand. All right. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades. Leave any comments below. Any thoughts? Any questions? Always good. That's it. Peace.